give me 2 weeks and they'll be staring for the right reasons. I'm gonna do one last mow on the front, a regular mow on the front and see what it looks like. But, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just scalp it. We're supposed to get some rain today, and I wish I would have started earlier because I would have went out there early, scalped it, dethatched whatever, and then scarified it in every single direction you can think of. And I got some stuff for that. Thinking I've never done this before. Never done this, so I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna scalp it, I'm gonna dethatch whatever else I can pick up, and then I'm gonna scarify it. Then I'm gonna throw down my seed, and then I'm gonna throw down not even a 1/4 inch, maybe a 1/4 inch of black cow manure, and then I'm gonna roll it. And we'll see about the rolling. I was told to roll it, so I might roll it. But that's my plan, guys. We'll see how well that works out. I picked everything up at Home Depot. Enough talking, let's get to it, guys. So here's what my front yard looks like right now, and it's definitely feeling this cool weather that we're having. It's dropping down in like the 50s, so the Bermuda is struggling. Well, crap, sorry guys. I did semi-scalp the front. As you can see, Bermuda is no more, but that was the first pass. Now I'm gonna go at it even lower because I really want to almost see that bare dirt, so I'll let you in on that. Hold on. This is a process because I want to try to get everything up. So just got done edging everything. I'm gonna come back through with the lawnmower and hit it maybe once or twice. I'm kind of in a time crunch now. It's taking a little bit longer than I thought, but the stares I'm getting from people going down, oh jeez. But give me 2 weeks and they'll be staring for the right reasons. I'm done for today. It started to sprinkle and thankfully it didn't start raining. So, but I got done, got everything in bags. I could probably go over this 2 or 3 more times and still get more. But tomorrow, I don't know if a dethatch will do a whole bunch. I might do a dethatch. It's still gonna, what I need to happen with the Bermuda, that's why I'm gonna scarify it, is to break up those runners. And that way the Perennial Rye could get in there and be good. So yeah, let's take a look. So it's funny, on video it looks like you see a lot of you can see the dirt, the soil, and on the video it looks pretty good. It's exactly where I want it. It's still not sure where it's sitting right now. It's on the lowest setting on my Husqvarna. That's probably what, maybe an inch. I don't know. I'll have to find out. But I'm gonna get these bags together, put them up so they don't get wet, and then be ready for tomorrow. It's seeding time, boys, and I'm not talking to you ladies.